Greeting everyone. I hope you're all doing great and ready for some culinary adventure with me. Today, we're diving into the scrumptious world of Greece, where food is not just sustenance, but a way of life. Greece has a rich history and tradition when it comes to cooking, and it's evident in every bite of their delicious cuisine. Whether it's fresh seafood, savory meat dishes, or mouth-watering desserts, Greece has something for everyone. With so many incredible restaurants to choose from, it can be tough to decide where to go. That's why I'm here today, to guide you through some of the best restaurants in Greece and help you find your next favorite meal. So get ready to feast your eyes and taste buds, and let's get started. Taverna 2 Elia. Taverna 2 Elia is more than just a restaurant, it's a cultural experience. From the moment you step inside, you are transported to the heart of Greece with its warm and inviting atmosphere, adorned with traditional decor and a friendly staff who are passionate about the food and culture they serve. As you peruse the menu, you'll find a variety of traditional Greek dishes, each one more tantalizing than the last. In addition to the grilled octopus, moussaka, and souvlaki, you'll also find dishes like the Greek salad with its juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and tangy feta cheese, or the hearty pastitsio, a baked pasta dish with a savory meat sauce and creamy bechamel topping. And let's not forget about the desserts. The baklava, with its flaky layers of filo pastry and sweet honey syrup, is a crowd pleaser, as is the galaktobareko, a delicious custard pie made with filo pastry and a hint of lemon. The best part about dining at Taverna 2 Elia is that the food is made with love and a deep respect for the traditional methods and ingredients used in Greek cuisine. The restaurant sources its ingredients from local farms and markets, ensuring that each dish is made with the freshest and most flavorful ingredients available. This dedication to authenticity and quality is what sets Taverna 2 Elia apart from other Greek restaurants and is what keeps customers coming back for more. Whether you're in the mood for a romantic dinner for two or a lively celebration with friends and family, Taverna 2 Elia has you covered. The restaurant offers both indoor and outdoor seating options, making it the perfect place to enjoy a meal no matter the weather. So whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor to Greece, make sure to add Taverna 2 Elia to your must-visit list. With its delicious food, warm atmosphere, and commitment to authenticity, this restaurant is sure to be the highlight of your visit to Athens. Ta karamanlidika Tufani. The seaside town of Naplio is a popular destination for tourists and locals alike, offering stunning views, rich history, and delectable cuisine. And among the many restaurants in the area, Ta karamanlidika Tufani stands out as a true gem. This establishment is known for its traditional Greek dishes that are made with the freshest local ingredients, creating a menu that showcases the very best of Greek cuisine. As soon as you step inside Ta karamanlidika Tufani, you are greeted by the warm and welcoming atmosphere. The restaurant is decorated with traditional Greek elements, creating a cozy and inviting space. The staff is knowledgeable, friendly, and always eager to recommend the best dishes on the menu. The menu at Ta karamanlidika Tufani is a feast for the senses. It features a wide range of dishes, each one more delicious than the next. For those who love seafood, the grilled options are a must-try. The fresh fish is perfectly cooked, with a crispy exterior and a juicy interior. The moussaka is another classic dish that is sure to please. This dish, made with layers of tender eggplant and ground beef, is topped with a creamy bechamel sauce and baked to perfection. And of course, no visit to Greece is complete without trying the Greek salad. This simple dish, made with juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and feta cheese, is a perfect representation of the fresh and flavorful ingredients used in Greek cuisine. But the real standout dish at Ta karamanlidika Tufani is the karamanlidika meat pie. This dish is a true work of art, blending together the perfect combination of meats, herbs, and spices. The meats are slow-cooked to tender perfection, and the herbs and spices are carefully selected to complement the flavors of the meats. The mixture is then wrapped in a crispy pastry crust, creating a truly delicious bite. In conclusion, Ta karamanlidika Tufani is a must-visit for anyone who loves traditional Greek cuisine. With its delicious menu, warm atmosphere, and friendly staff, this restaurant is sure to become a favorite. So next time you find yourself in Naplio, be sure to stop by and sample the true flavors of Greece. So there you have it, folks. These are some of the best restaurants in Greece, each with its own unique flavor and atmosphere. Whether you're looking for traditional Greek cuisine or a contemporary twist on the classics, there's something for everyone in this amazing country. So next time you're in Greece, be sure to check out one of these fantastic restaurants. The Hidden Kitchen. If you're looking for a unique dining experience, then look no further than the Hidden Kitchen. This small, family-owned restaurant is tucked away in a quiet corner of the city, but don't let its unassuming location fool you. The Hidden Kitchen is a true gem, offering a dining experience like no other. As soon as you step inside, you are transported to a different world. The warm and inviting atmosphere, combined with the soft lighting, creates a cozy and intimate space. The walls are decorated with vintage plates and cookbooks, adding to the charming atmosphere. And the friendly staff is always eager to make recommendations and ensure that you have a wonderful dining experience. The menu at the Hidden Kitchen is constantly changing, as the chef sources only the freshest ingredients from local markets and farmers. This means that each time you visit, you can try something new and exciting. The menu is divided into small plates, which are perfect for sharing, and larger plates for those who are feeling more indulgent. One of the standout dishes at the Hidden Kitchen is the slow-roasted pork belly. This dish is cooked to perfection, resulting in a tender and juicy pork belly that is bursting with flavor. The pork is served with a sweet and tangy glaze, which complements the rich meat perfectly. Another must-try dish is the roasted vegetable risotto. This dish is made with seasonal vegetables, slowly roasted to bring out their natural sweetness. The risotto is creamy and comforting, making it the perfect comfort food on a chilly evening. For those who have a sweet tooth, the Hidden Kitchen has a fantastic selection of desserts. The warm apple crumble, served with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, is a perfect way to end a meal. And the rich chocolate mousse, made with only the finest chocolate, is a decadent treat. Oinomagyarmata to Culinary. If you're looking for a dining experience that combines traditional Greek flavors with modern flair, then Oinomagyarmata to Culinary is the perfect place for you. Located in the heart of Athens, this trendy eatery offers a menu that features classic dishes with a contemporary twist. The chefs at Oinomagyarmata to Culinary pride themselves on using the freshest and highest quality ingredients, sourced from local farms and markets. The decor of the restaurant is just as impressive as the food, with a sleek and modern design that is both eye-catching and inviting. The warm lighting, comfortable seating, and stylish accents make this the perfect place for a romantic evening or a night out with friends. The attentive and friendly staff adds to the overall atmosphere, making your dining experience at Oinomagyarmata to Culinary one to remember. One of the standout dishes at Oinomagyarmata to Culinary is the grilled swordfish with feta and olive sauce. This dish is a perfect example of the contemporary twist that the chefs put on classic Greek flavors. The juicy swordfish is grilled to perfection, and the tangy feta and olive sauce is a delightful complement to the fish's delicate flavor. Another must-try dish is the pork souvlaki with sweet potato fries. This dish takes the classic souvlaki and gives it a modern twist, with the addition of sweet potato fries that are crispy and slightly sweet. And let's not forget about the dessert. The Greek yogurt panna cotta with honey and walnuts is a light and creamy treat that is both refreshing and satisfying. The addition of honey and walnuts brings a touch of sweetness and crunch that is the perfect ending to a delicious meal. In conclusion, the Greek culinary scene is diverse and full of hidden treasures. From the traditional tavernas, like Taverna to Ilia, that serve classic dishes with a modern twist, to the seaside restaurants like Ta Karamanlidika to Fani, that showcase the freshest local ingredients in every bite. Then there's the unique and exclusive dining experience offered by the Hidden Kitchen, where every dish is a work of art, carefully crafted to bring together flavors and ingredients in perfect harmony. These are just a few of the many incredible dining options that Greece has to offer. Each restaurant has its own special character and flavor, making it a true foodie destination. So next time you find yourself in Greece, don't just feast your eyes on the beautiful views and stunning architecture, but also treat your taste buds to a culinary adventure they won't forget. So get ready to taste the rich and diverse flavors of Greece and indulge in the scrumptious world of this amazing country.